Hello! I will show you step by step how to embroider eyes, nose and lips on felt doll's face using mouline and a needle. Let's start it. We will need white, brown and lined pink mouline, needle with a large hole, scissors and vanishing marker. 3 patterns will be available in the description of the video. Now please cut them out. Put this pattern on beige felt, outline with vanishing marker and cut it out. Put this paper pattern on head and outline the inner shape with vanishing marker. And now put this paper pattern on the head in this place. And draw only these 2 lines. Draw 2 eyelashes on both sides. And here. And now draw a very short line between the eyes and mouth. And now let's prepare light pink mouline consisting of 3 strands and 40 cm long. Insert one end of mouline into the needle hole and pull. Connect both ends of the mouline. Cross them in this way and insert the end inside. Then tie it. Cut off the ends. Insert needle with mouline from the bottom in this place. Pull all the way until a knot is left at the bottom. Then insert from the top about 3 mm farther on the lips line. Then insert the needle from the bottom about 3 mm farther from the last hole. Then insert from the top into the previous hole. We will repeat these steps until we reach the hole from which we started embroidering. Cut off the needle and now divide the mouline in 2 parts, one in each hand. Cross them just like I did. Put one end inside and tie it. Cut off the ends and the lips are ready. Prepare broad mouline consisting of 3 strands and 40 cm long, the same way as last time. Embroider along the line in the same way as the lips, starting from the inner corner of the eye. Now let's embroider eyelashes. The outer one is supposed to be a little longer. Repeat the same steps with the other eye. and we have a nose to embroider, it will be very simple. Prepare a white mouline consisting of 3 strands, the same way as last time. 20 cm will be enough. Insert the needle with mouline from the bottom where the nose begins. And finish the embroidery by inserting the needle from the top where the nose lines ends. And the embroidered face is ready. If you want to make this felt angel, click on the video that just appeared on the screen. See you next time. Bye bye.